Hello, it's Natasha. Welcome back to my channel. Happy to see you here. As promised, today I will walk you through Pinkfresh Studio January 2019 release. I will leave the link to the release below this video, and also in the end of the video I'll leave the link to the cards I already made with this release. Okay, let's jump right in. It's just amazing. So let's start with the dies. So it's a Let's Party die. Pinkfresh Studio has already come with the similar design. So there are two dies in the set, a shadow die and the phrase die. And so that's how it looks. So, and it's quite big. So it can take well, quite a. You can use it on your card or on a layout, and you can use this Let's Party on its own. It's delicate, and or with the shadow die. So that's this. Next die, which I'm really looking forward to playing with, is a circle frame with botanicals, and again that's how it looks when it is die cut. And again, it will take, it is so easy to make a beautiful card with this. There is enough space for a nice sentiment here. And you can, you know, my love for boxes. I'm already thinking that it will decorate a square box beautifully. And I will leave a link to the video how to make a square box, which the size for which this die will be just perfect to embellish. So that's circle frame with botanicals. Okay, next there are two dies which are sort of similar, Spring Floral and Gatsby die set. So this is for those of you out there who are fond of graphical graphic images. So again, there are two dies in this set. There is a shadow die and actually the image die, and that's how they look when you die cut them. So, and you can, again, you can use them on their own. So this one is very delicate and just beautiful, and there is this shadow die, so you can layer them, or you can use them on their own, and you can color this shadow die with watercolors or other media. And again, in terms of size, that's how it will look. So it covers the entire A2 size panel. So just beautiful. And this die is similar in the design. So again, you have a shadow die and you have very delicate and very beautiful floral die. Okay, let's move on. So next die, which again I think I will use a lot, is Oval Foliage Wreath. Wreath? Is it wreath? That's how it looks when die cut. So this is A2 size piece of paper, and look how pretty it is. And this die coordinates with Oval Foliage Wreath, a stamp set. It's very delicate, and there are some really delicate images and wonderful sentiments. Let's just go in there and remember, you are amazing. Making me feel, thank you for making me feel special. The shout out, you love, thank you for your love and support. Thank you for caring for me. I never want to stop making memories with you. I think this is a lovely sentiment. Smile, happy looks good on you. I hope good things happen for you with sympathy and love. So very thankful. I will forever be beholden to you. And making things possible. Thank you for making things possible. So a wonderful set, and I'm really looking forward to playing with it. So this is Oval Foliage Wreath stamp set, stamp and die. Okay. Next set is Make-A-Wish stamp set, and which is big with a lot of images and coordinating dies. And again, you can create wonderful layered cakes, and you have birthday candles, you have numbers, and you also have flame to add to the candles. Make a wish. Hope this day is as special as you are. It's your day, birthday wishes, and you have a lot of small images to decorate your cake. And I really love these layers that you can create. You can make a chocolate cake or strawberry cake. So it's really I'm sure it's going to be fun to play with. And look who's turning 30 or whatever. So wonderful set, a wonderful birthday set, this one. So make a wish set. Next, some floral, wonderful floral sets in this release. So heart and soul set and die, coordinating die. And I think this is so delicate and so gentle and tender, and again, I just love this set. And some wonderful sentiments. I think Pinkfresh Studio, they just knock it out of the park with this sentiment. That was so nice of you. Do all things with love. Here's to making dreams come true. Just for you, everything I am, you helped me to be. I think this is a great sentiment for mother, for example. Trust your soul, be patient, everything is coming together. So fill your heart with what's important and be done with all the rest. You're so thoughtful. So great, again, great set. Heart and soul. Another floral set, a big set. This is embroidered blossoms. Again, you have stamp set and you have coordinating dies. And just look at this. I mean, I'm not very good with needles and threads, and this set will be perfect to create. Oops, I'm sorry. Sorry about this, my phone. So just look at this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And what I love about these sets, these are not coloring set. I mean, there are some images that you can color, obviously, but this is just a stamping set. And as a stamper and as a person who has a lot of inks in my stash, I really enjoy and I really love sets that allow me to use my inks just to play around with different color combinations and just stamp my worries away. And these are perfect for quick cards. You just stamp and you're ready to go. Okay, so Embroidered Blossoms set, which I think it will also be very, very popular. Next set is a lovely sweet lemonade set. So you have a bottle of a lemonade, you can color it or you can stamp it. And there is also sort of, it can be half full or half empty. And there is some lemons or oranges or whatever you want it to be, and strawberry. Life can't be sweet without a bit of sour. There's no lemon so sour that you can't make something resembling lemonade. You're the sugar in my lemonade. So, and here are some ideas how you can use this set. And yeah, that's what I love about Pinkfresh Studio. It says at the back of the packaging, you can see some wonderful inspiration, which can, you know, get you started on playing with the set. Okay, next, also I think an absolutely must-have a door alphabet set. So you have big, bold letters, stamps, and dies, and just look what you can do. So you can use, obviously you can use the dies on their own, or you can combine them with the stamps. And I think this will be great for layouts, for scrapbookers, but you can also use these on cards. This will just make a great focal image on your card. So a door alphabet set, great one. And two more sentiment sets, scripted bold sentiments 1 and 2, which are, as I said, I've already used them, as you can see, and I will leave the link to the cards with this set in the end of the video. So here we have happy birthday, let's celebrate, happy belated birthday, congrats, way to go, wishes do come true, hello there, I love you more and more every day, bravo, I'm so sorry for your loss, with sympathy, wishing you comfort and peace, you rock, so happy for you. So I think the font is really unique and it's really bold, and it's so easy to make a card with this sentiment. And scripted bold sentiments 1, thank you, good luck, best wishes, you'll be fab, you did it. Some days you just need to feel a little extra loved. That's true. We all know that. Made with love, big hugs, thinking of you, my love, hooray, take care, it's your day. So I think this will be just this will be used a lot. Really, these sets will be used. I will use them a lot. I'm sure about that. And the last set is Lost in This City, and I've made a bunch of cards already with this set, and I'll leave the link to this cards in the end of this video. So, and another set of cards with this set. So I mean, it's a great set. So dream big, thinking of you, missing you very much, adventures out there, live out loud, you lift me up. So there are so many ways to use this set, and coordinating dies. So that's it for new Pinkfresh Studio January 2019 release. I hope you'll check it out. I'll leave the link to the release below. Thank you for spending time with me. Have fun crafting. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and see you again soon. Bye.